Wrapped on the pads. Sreeshanth can't believe it. Now, leg by signal. He got an extra run because the ball went away into the outfield.
Firstly, look at the LBW. It was on the roll. The line's pretty good. Height was the issue. So he's just short, just a tad too short from sreeshanth. But he's bowling the perfect line of length at the moment. Please, that was out, he's saying. He's begging.
Good shape. He's getting a good shape going. Last ball of the over. And it's a good finish. Excellent over.
Knocked him over! What a big wicket! When he bowls line and length and swings the ball, he's a fine bowler. Let the ball do the talking, young man, and you'll bowl like that. Gilchrist gone for 22. Australia 36 for 1.
Well, if the umpire don't give a decision to your satisfaction, knock the stumps over. That's as conclusive as anything that a bowler will ever get. Knocking the middle stump out. Now, young man, keep bowling the same length is what whole of India is saying.
Still a chance, one thought. Bowled in. Off stump out of the ground, and Sreeshanth does the job for his captain. Brought back into the attack. Gets the dangerous Hayden.
Terrific knock there from Matthew Hayden. Wishes the incoming batsman good luck as he goes past. But he's put Australia in a position to win the game. That's exactly what India needed. They need another one fairly quickly. But it has opened the game up again.
Bowled him! Andrew Simons was the one that India wanted. Simons is a goner, it's Irfan Pathan. Simons giving himself room. Off stump, half a pint back. Huge wicket this. Simons 43, Australia 156 for 4.
Look at the Simons wicket. How big is this for India? Hussey had hit the big six, and Pathan, he had to be bang on line, otherwise he was going again. And that's the 4th down for Australia. Pressure on, run rate required, 9.8. It's dipping just under 10 now.
Bowled him! Harbhajan, give it to me! I'll bowl it! Harbhajan turns the game once again on its head. Harbhajan Singh, off spinner. Starts his 4th over, gets Clark. 159 for 5.
Eruption here at Kingsmead. Another Aussie wicket goes down. I'm sure there's an eruption in India as well. All the support for the Indians around the world. They had a disappointing time of it in the World Cup at the start of the year, and here they are. Is this wicket going to get them through to the final? This is a bit different.
Is that one? No, it's not. High in the air, third man. Takes the catch. Hussey dives bravely. Injured Hussey. It's you, Raj. Would you believe it? It must be destiny. India, are they pumped? What a game this has been.
What pitches we're bringing you. Can you believe it? Australia are going to go down. And Yuvraj Singh yet again into the action. He's pumped.
Bowled him. They're having fun now. Brett Lee, just a swing, going through the motion. They needed 20 from 2. They need 20 from 1 now. Sharma joins in. He's picked up a couple of wickets. Smiles, relief for India. They're in the final. The Aussies are going home. Bouncer pulled away, leg side, it's 4. It doesn't matter. It's India! More importantly, it's India versus Pakistan in the final on Monday. Look at these scenes.
So Australia falling 15 short at one point in the last 5 overs.